Want to know how I made this video in minutes? Well, it's not because of real Ramdy. It's because of Descript's AI video maker. That's right, no more trying to look natural, talking to a black box and staring at yourself for hours while you edit it. Just throw in your script or raw video, or you can just tell Descript to write a script for you. Then you choose your speaker. Choose an avatar if you want to. Then choose your aspect ratio, B-roll type and style, and that's it. You now have a complete video, and you can keep editing if you want. Make an actually interesting video presentation for your coworkers, a video essay on the evolution of staplers, or something that should never exist. With Descript's AI video maker, you get all the freedom to create without the hassle of making videos yourself. Head to Descript and try it out today.